In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new tag in Monday.com. Tags are a really simple but powerful way to organize your work, filter information, and quickly see what tasks belong together across different boards. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can start creating and using your own tags with confidence. First, make sure you're on the board where you want to use tags. You'll see your columns running across the top of the board. To begin, look for the small plus sign next to your existing columns. This is the button you use whenever you want to add a new column to your board. Click on that plus sign. A list of column types will appear, and this is where you can choose the type of information you want to add. In the search area, start typing the word tags. As you type, Monday.com will filter the options and show you the tags column type. Once you see the tags option appear, click on it. This will add a new tags column to your board. You should now see a new empty column labeled for tags alongside your other columns. Next, let's actually create a tag. Find an empty cell in that new tags column in the same row as the item you want to tag. Click on the empty cell. A small window or drop down will open, showing you existing tags if there are any, and giving you the option to create a new one. Inside that window, click on the field where you can type. Go ahead and type the name of the tag you want to create. This could be something like a project name, a priority level, a department, or any label that makes sense for your workflow. Try to choose clear, meaningful names so that when you look back later, it's easy to understand what each tag represents. Once you've typed the name of your new tag, look for the option that says Create New Tag. Click on that. Monday.com will instantly create the tag and apply it to the item you selected. From now on, that tag will be available in the drop-down whenever you click on a tag cell, so you can quickly reuse it on other items. You can also filter your board by tags to see only items that share the same label. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new tag column, created a tag, and applied it to an item in Monday.com.